So hi guys, I have here coffee from Batcha. This is one of my favorite coffees since I went to Singapore. Actually, yun yung coffee na kahit walang sugar, kahit good coffee siya, sarap na sarap ako. So, eto na. Let me teach you how to make Batcha coffee. So, open natin to first. Ano yung flavor niya? Tolteca chocolate. Amoy na amoy siya, promise. Pag binuksan mo pala, like yung buong room nyo, kaya gumamit ng diffuser na may flavored chocolate. So, ito siya. So, we'll just put it here. And then, it says that you have to open this para, tatawa ko eh, para mag-blend yung flavor niya dun sa cup. So, we'll open it like this. Good thing I have my scissors here. So, buksan natin ha. Yan lang, slight lang. And then, ito na siya. Alam niyo, nakakatawa kasi minsan, hindi ako nag-follow ng instruction. So, hindi ko siya ina-open. Akala ko yung hot water sa ilalim. Tapos yun na, pwede na. So, babunan natin siya dito. Pa-konti-konti lang. Hayaan nyo lang siya mag-drip. That's it. Now you have your own Batcha coffee.